Everybody, good morning. So I am getting ready for the morning. I already done doing my face, and now I am just curling my hair. I always do curling my hair. It's because I feel like if I am doing just straight hair, it looks so flat and lifeless. So I am really into curling my hair, you guys. I just only use a flat iron to curl my hair because this is so quick to do, unlike with using a curling one. So it just takes me like 15 minutes or 10 or so, depends on the day. So yeah, this is basically what I do when I get ready, and after this I just sprayed it with a hairspray, and this is how my hair looks like. It's just an easy, curly hair. Hey friends! Good morning and welcome back to another video. Grabe, ang pangit ng lighting dito. Dito tayo kasi hindi ako masyadong kita. Gusto ko sana doon kasi ganito, para makita yung aking tree, but yeah, pangit yung lighting. So dito lang tayo, guys. Good morning! It's another Saturday. Yeah. Morning, and gagawa na naman tayo ng hair today, guys, with my girl today. This morning, so 9. Sinusundo pa siya ni Rookie. Kasi friend ko siya, so sinusundo siya ni Rookie kasi wala siyang service ngayon. So ayun, I'm just waiting for them. Maaga pa naman, it's still 8:30 in the morning. So I'm done. I'm done. Oh my god, meron namang mag-uukray ng aking English, no, yung English natin. So I'm done getting ready, I guess. Yeah, I guess no lipstick because magmamask naman tayo, diba? Still wearing mask, of course, kasi hindi pa naman ini-implement na hindi na pwedeng mag-wear ng mask. So hopefully today I will, be filming or like, make a lot of clips. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mangyayari today, but yeah, hopefully ma-push natin itong vlog for this day. So yeah, it's really cold na, guys. Grabe yung gabi. It's like 2 degrees Celsius. Although hindi pa nagsisnow kasi wala pa naman tayo sa December. Usually it starts to snow on the second week of December. So I'm not excited for that. Honestly, ayoko ng snow kasi masyadong malamig. I get sick and ano din siya, dangerous. Ano bang Tagalog ng dangerous? Hindi, basta dangerous din siya sa while traveling. So ayan, so hopefully I will all see you later kasi I feel like nandito na sila, Rookie. So stick around, everybody. So we are going to start now. This is our starting point. This is how her hair looks like, and I think we had her hair rebonded like more than a year already, so it's already pretty grown out. So on this clip I am applying the straightening cream on the regrowth area only. I am not touching the already rebonded hair because that is already chemically treated, so we don't want to cause any damage. So right after applying this straightening cream, I then wrap her hair with a cleaner up. I decided to wrap her hair with cleanup since it's so cold. I want some insulation so that the hair would process a little quicker. So I guess I'm done processing her hair. I just reapply the straightening cream because her hair wasn't that processing yet. So after like leaving it for like 10 minutes, I guess, I then went ahead and what do you call that, rinse her hair. And now I think I didn't show the clip of me flat ironing her hair, and this one I already applied the neutralizer already, so I skipped that part where I rinse and then flat iron her hair, since this is always a repeat process. So I'm just gonna show you how I apply the neutralizer. It's really very basic, you guys. So now I then wrap her head again with the cling wrap just for some insulation. Ito yung lunch namin. Wow. Diba? Shawarma rice. Yeah. So now we're done with lunch, and I also processed her hair at the same time while eating lunch. So this has really saved a lot of time. So after processing it for 30 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed her hair completely, thoroughly, making sure that there are no products left on her hair. And I think on this clip, I also went and applied the keratin treatment. We are also doing a keratin treatment on her hair since she is doing hair rebonding. I highly recommend, guys, that you do keratin treatment whenever you do hair rebonding, because hair rebonding, to be honest, is very, very drying to the hair. It's very, very strong chemical to be applied to hair. So I just saturated her hair completely with the treatment, but not oversaturating. Just remember that. So I then went ahead and wrap her hair with a cling wrap just to make sure that the keratin treatment will not dry it up, just to make sure also that it will really penetrate onto the hair strands very well. So I let that process for 40 minutes, and then after processing 40 minutes, I then went ahead, started to blow dry your hair 100% dry. It is important to dry the hair 100% dry before flat ironing hair. So I'm just taking the right amount of sectioning while flat ironing hair, not too thin, not too thick, just the right amount where you can thoroughly flat iron every hair strands. So now I am just trimming her hair, not too much because she wanted to grow her hair. I'm just removing the dry ends because every time you do a hair bonding, it always gets super dry at the end. So I'm just removing that very dry parts of her hair. So yay, finally we're done. This is how her hair looks like. Now it is so shiny and smooth compared from where we started. But I know guys, that we just flat iron her hair, that's why this looks so super straight. But later I'm gonna show to you how her hair looks like after she washes it, or like after 5 days of like washing. So yeah, we're done. Hello, hello. So medyo madilim na. No, it's not really. Just kidding, guys. Um, maliwanag pa yung araw sa labas, and excuse the mess. And it's still 4:15 in the afternoon, really, guys. Pero I'm done with my day. Yeah, I'm happy that I'm finished early. Tapos, nakauwi na din yung friend ko. Hinatid siya ni Rookie. Again, kasi wala siyang ano. So, and then, thank you so much for the foodie. Kasi ang sarap. If you're interested, if you are a friend of mine, or you know me dito sa Japan, or yung mga kilala ko dito pala, if you wanted to try that one, yung shawarma rice, just message me para ma-refer ko kayo doon sa friend ko na gumagawa ng shawarma rice. It really, oh my god, it's bomb. Naalala ko yung Turks na ano, shawarma, yung Turks, yan. Pag dun sa Pilipinas, lasang-lasang ganun. So, really highly recommend that one. So, ayun. Guys, I'm gonna ask you something. Kasi, as you can see, yung hair ko is pretty long already, and I feel like yung habang hair is really making me, sometimes, kasi you look, I don't know kung ako lang ha, but I feel like, if you are already, older, mas nag-looking older kapag mahaba yung hair. And since kasi I didn't have the time to cut my hair, parang sometimes gusto ko siya na na mahaba. But there are times also na parang I'm tired already with this long hair kasi it takes a lot of time to style it. And although I take a shower at night para hindi ko madamage yung aking hair, so that I could just air dry my hair, no? Pero yeah, parang minsan I'm kind of lazy doing my hair, but I really wanted to style my hair. So yan, I look so old. Tingnan naman, haba na. Comment below if kailangan ko ba i-cut yung hair ko, or I'll just leave it long like this. Pero
it's getting on my nerves already. And yeah, it's the winter. Pero siguro pagkatapos na lang ng winter, kasi pag ganitong winter pa, malamig pa, and then I need something to cover my neck here kasi malamig, diba? So maybe I'll just do that after the winter time. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill. Tapos hindi pala, maglalaba pa ako kasi may lalabahan pa ako. Then I'm going to iron my uniform para ready na ako. Hindi na ako mag-ready for tomorrow. I'm just gonna chill my day with Rookie. O, diba? Ayun, so I don't know if may video pa tayo. Well, let's see. So mga friends, I'm just going to quickly share you something. I don't know if I've shared this to you, no? Yung sa mga friendships ko dito sa Japan. During the winter kasi, iba kasi pag doon sa ibang countries na malalamig yun, like sa US or sa they have a dryer inside their house, like a washer and a dryer. But dito sa Japan, hindi uso yung washer and dryer. We only have a washing machine that has spin dry, pero we still need to hang our clothes. So during the winter, mahirap talaga mag-dry yung yung clothes kasi malamig. Ayan, so what I do what I usually do is I try to find something, yung detergent na pwede ko siyang ihang yung clothes sa loob. Kasi pag ibang detergent, I find na yung ginagamit ko, tapos hinahang ko siya sa loob ng bahay, medyo may amoy siya, yung amoy kulob. But with this one, hindi siya nangangamoy. This is specifically para yung yung nanghang ka ng clothes inside the house. So eto yon yung Ariel. Eto yung bago ng Ariel yata, Ariel Bioscience. Eto na yung bagong Ariel, wala na yung lumang Ariel. But I don't know, wala na talaga. Eto na talaga yung bagong Ariel. I don't know if sa other countries meron ganito. But this one specifically, yung green one. Ito kasi may blue tsaka green to. Tapos may isa pang variant nito. But this one specifically is, pwede mo siyang, ayan yung kanji niya. Yan. Hopefully, tama ako. Yeah, yan yung nakakanji na. Tapos isang times lang siya din. Nakaka-save din siya ng water kasi pwede siyang one time lang yung babanlawan yung Tapos eto talaga hindi nangangamoy kulob yung labada mo, guys. Hindi ito sponsored, but I just wanted to share this kasi yung iba, naririnig ko sa mga iba na nahihirapan sila ng amoy kulob, tapos they just naglalabas sila pag may araw para yun nga hindi nga nangangamoy kulob, tapos mahirap pag sa loob lang ng bahay sinasampay yung labada. So eto yung ginagamit ko para masampay ko yung mga labada ko sa loob ng bahay, yung eto na Ariel, yung pang pwede sa loob ng bahay mo isampay, hindi siya mangangaloy kulob. And so far, so good talaga, hindi talaga nangangamoy kulob yung mga damit namin. So, I'm just sharing to you all that kasi baka may naghahanap na yung mga the same problems with mine, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, yung mga nanay problems. So, hopefully, nakatulong to, guys. The cleaner and the driver.
Unggoy ka.
Yun na, sipsipin mo na.
Ne,
Sipsip.
unggoy ka.
Wow, gamay lang man na.
Amaya ka tayo.
Konti lang naman yung hair. Kasi konti lang yung trim.
Gapil.
Fail? Nandi. Ano? Wow. Driver pa, cleaner pa. Vacuum ka lang naman.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. Uy. Ayan. Uy, dapat wholesome. Say bye. Ooh, change of hairstyle. Kasi bangs is really bothering me and I really don't like the length of this hair anymore. This is what's left of my curl. So, ginanyan ko lang aking hair kasi mas maganda talaga yung hairstyle na ganito pag yung short lang yung hair. This looks so oldies. Pero, yeah. Who cares? It's the winter. You need a very long hair to cover your neck and whatnot. So, alis muna kami ni Rookie. Pupunta kami ng Lamo to buy something to eat and milk for the cats. O, diba? Cats so special. They have their own milk. Yun, so, yun lang guys. Yeah. See you when I see you. We are inside the car now. Punta lang kami ng Lamo saglit. So, mask is on kasi bawal nang walang mask. Hi, Ricky! Malapit lang naman. It's just, like 5 minutes away from the house. So, you can hear the Southboarder singing. So, bye! Whoa! Finchy! This is what I came for. Yeah. So dark now. Kita na naman ako doon sa Lamo. Ito yung gummy, pop drink, soda daw. Tapos, I don't know. Kasi may ano pa, soda gummy. Meron ding cola gummy. So, di ba yung soda tsaka yung cola is the same? I don't know. Ano yung ibig nilang sabihin. But it's the 4D, 3D. 4D, 3D pa. Tapos delicious na ano. Ganyan yung itsura niyo, oh. Ito. Matry natin. At eto din, I wanna try this one from Bourbon. Kasi I'm planning to do a cheesecake. Yan. Mango cheesecake. Tapos, I wanted to try some masarap na biscuits dito. Tapos, ito yung nakita ko. Cinnamon and caramel na ano. So, I'm gonna taste it if kung masarap pa siya. Before ko siya gawin. Oh nga guys. Look how cute this is. Ayaw mag-focus. Yung ano siya. 4D talaga, oh. Why is it not focusing? No. Focus, please. There you go, guys. It's focusing now, diba? Ang cute, oh. Ganyan siya. Parang may ano pa. Diba? That gummy is so cute. 360, ganyan yun, oh. May lemon, and then you have this like straw here. Yan. So cute. The cola. Ayan. Yan yung itsura niya.
Katawakan. Tawa tayo. Yan, no, nag-overtake.
So friends, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Yeah, mag-chill na kami ni Rookie. I'm gonna watch obviously a movie, and then I'm gonna have my coffee kasi isang coffee lang yung nainom ko today. Tapos kaya ang lamig. Kaya, the reason really is ang lamig. I wanted to drink something, hot. Kaya, I'm gonna sip my coffee and enjoy the night. And I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always, my friends. Keep safe as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Again, thank you so much always for tuning in. And yeah, yes of me. Let's drink hot coffee. So good. Bye!